Hi, let me just get set up. Forgot to put the microphone on. Hi everyone, we are just having a look now at example 30 to do with percentage problems. Now this is on page 228 of your book. Example 30, solving a word or worded percentage problem. Right, this is taking the stuff you've been practicing, putting it in a situation and you working the stuff out. You'll be using the VGV set out, the vital, the guts and the validation. Here's the story. Jacqueline has saved up $50 to purchase a new pair of jeans. Right, that's what she has. She tries on many different pairs but only likes two styles, Evie and Next. The Evie jeans are normally $70, are on sale with a 25% discount. The Next jeans retail for $80 and have a 40% discount for the next 24 hours. Can Jacqueline afford either pair of jeans? Now that's pretty important. Here's the actual question you need to answer. Yes or no is not enough, but you'll have to go through your working with that. So here's part of the solution they have on the page, but I'm going to put it onto my book and show you about that one. So we've got a solution here for Evie jeans and then a solution here for Next jeans. So on my book it looks like this. Sorry about my scribbling out, look at it. Example 30, page 228, chapter 4 for fractions. Now this is Evie jeans and you can see my VGV set out. First of all, from the story we had 25% of $70. Now I'll just quickly flick back to that. That one. Right, the story was telling me about Evie jeans, $70, 25% discount. So that is my vital information. There it is there. That's the vital stuff. So I've got that, 25% of 70. So I want to use this information that I've got, and following on from our previous work, we take the percent sign and put that over 100 and the 25 over 100. We change the word old to the multiplying sign. We take that number, the 70, turned into a fraction, 70 over 1. Where we can, we will simplify with that. 25 goes into 25 once and into 100 4 times. Now finish my multiplying. 1 times 70 is 70. 4 times 1 is 4. That, half of that is 35 and half of that again is 17 and a half. Right, so the calculation works out to $17.50. I've done some of that in my head, but you could do a little 70 divided by 4. 4 into 7 goes 1, 3 left over. 4 into 30 goes 7. We've got some things left over here. That's 20. 4 into 20 goes 5. We're talking about dollars, so we'll need to have an extra 0 on the end. $17.50. So that's how much they take off. The original price though, you're not quite finished here. The original price was $70 and I have to take away $17.50. So I have to do a subtraction sum, do all the working and things for that, which will be a 6. I'm going to put a 9 and I'm going to put a 1 there. So make that 10, 0, 5, 2. Alright, so $52.50 is what she would have to pay for that one. Get rid of that. Alright, I'll quickly flick back. Her next part, the Next jeans, in fact, $80, 40% discount. So that's part of my vital information that I need here. So let's have a look at that on my book. So Next jeans, getting it right here. Next jeans, 40% of $80. So got my 40% of $80. Change my percent to the 100, 40 over 100. Of changes to a times. That number changes to 80 over 1, so I can turn it into a fraction. Here's my guts and my working. I've got a lot I can do in here. if I take out my zeros, which is dividing by 10, I've got 4 over 10. I can divide that by 2, and that's 2 over 5. I can keep going with my simplifying because 5 goes into 5 one time, 5 goes into 81 16 times. So I've done quite a lot of simplifying there. Now let me do my multiplying. 2 16s are 32. 1 times 1 is 1. 32. So that's my discount. My original price, I still need to finish my calculation, was $80. Take away $32. So that will be 718.48. Okay, so the cost of this one is $48. But our original question, and I'm going to go quickly back to the question so I make sure I answer it. Can Jacqueline afford either pair of jeans? Well, one pair of jeans cost me $52.50. She doesn't have enough for that, so the answer is no. The other pair of jeans cost her $48. Evie can afford the next, and I'll write it in capitals, pair of jeans. Alright, so that's answering the full question. I've got all of my working plus my validation to finish that off. That will take some time, but worth working out the best buy.